Hi nail friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, the products I'll be using are Revel Nail Emily, Vivian and Opulent Dip Powder. I'll also be using Cherael Sky Black to Black, and I'll also be using Activator. I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm applying my Cherael Sky Bond to dehydrate my nails. If you don't have any bond, you can also use rubbing alcohol or acetone. They both do the same thing. Now I apply 2 layers of clear dip powder to my nails. So I apply base to 3/4 of the nail, and then I dip it into the clear dip powder. Then I apply base to the whole nail, and then I dip it into the clear dip powder. This is done to build the nails and also to protect my natural nails from the color. This is also an optional step, but I like doing it. Starting on the pinky nail, I place some tape diagonally on the nail to do a color block nail design. Then I place some base on the nail and I poured the dip powder on my nail. I did 2 layers of that. The reason I'm doing it this way is because black is not an easy color to work with. It stains the nail, and I didn't want my tip to get stained. If I had dipped my nail into the dip powder and did a freehand color block, it would have messed up the design. So now I pour some activator in a glass. A little goes a long way, so don't waste it. Then using my opulent glitter, I dip my brush into the activator and then into the glitter and place it on my pinky nail. Using my base glue, I applied it to the nail and then I stuck some of the gold foil on my nails as well. This design was done by someone known as V Nailed It. She's a professional nail tech. I really liked her design, so I thought I'd give it a try. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think, if you think I did a good job, an okay job, or a horrible job. Now on the ring finger, I'm doing a full black nail. I actually didn't encapsulate this nail with clear. I just built up the nail to my desired thickness and applied activator and filed. I realized that when I encapsulate black nails, it leaves some white specks on the nail. I don't really like that. I had to encapsulate the pinky nail for obvious reasons, but I really like how the black on the ring finger was without encapsulating the nail with clay. The pinky did have some specks of white. It wasn't that noticeable, but I like to inspect everything, so that's why I know that, and that's a me problem, so whatever. On the middle finger, I'm using my Emily dip powder, and I did 3 layers of that. On the index finger, I applied base in a slanted motion, and then I dipped it into the Emily dip powder. I did 3 layers of that. Now I'm using this black sugar glitter on the nail. I'll leave a link to where I got mine in the description. So I just apply it to the nail with some activator. Then, using my base glue, I applied some gold foil to the nail. Now I encapsulate the nails with some Revel clear dip powder. I did a few layers, but I only showed 1 layer. Now I apply activator to the nails, waited for it to harden, then began filing. This is after filing of the nails, and now I'm applying some Model 1's matte gel top coat to the nails, and I cured for 30 seconds. Do you guys prefer the nails matte or shiny? I really liked how the matte looked on the nails, but I really like shiny nails as well, so let me know which one you all prefer. So I added some black butterflies to the nails, but then I removed them along with the top coat. I decided to stick the butterflies with glue so that the wings of the butterflies would be stuck down on the nail, because when I did the gel top coat and just laid the butterflies, I realized that I would have to place about 3 to 4 layers of gel top coat for the butterflies to be sealed in, and that really made no sense. This way seemed a little better. I actually placed 2 layers of top coat on the nail after, which seemed a little better, and what I should have done was just encapsulated the butterflies when I was doing my dip application, but I forgot to do that. And now I use my gel top coat and I just draw a half a circle on the nail. If you have black gel polish, you should use that. This brush wasn't doing the job, so you'll see that I use another detailed brush to do the drawings of the lines. And I actually removed it and I did it off camera because it wasn't coming out that great. Then I just poured the black sugar glitter on the nail. I did another layer after that because some areas were a bit too light, and also I cured in the lamp for 30 seconds. Then I did the same on my ring finger and I poured the white sugar glitter on my nail and cured for 30 seconds. Now I apply some cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and this is the finished look. So if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on the powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!